Keep your spine straight. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Take a deep breath in. Hold it there. Om. 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 Om Shri Ganeshaya Namaha. Om Shri Saraswatyai Namaha. Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Samasta Kalyane Niratam Karunamayam Namami Chinmayam Devam Sadgurum Brahmavidvaram Sadgurum Brahmavidvaram यो अन्तः प्रविश्य मम वाचमिमां प्रसुप्तां सञ्जीवयत्यखिलशक्तिधरस्वधाम्ना अन्यांश्च हस्तचरणश्रवणत्वदादीन् प्राणान्नमो भगवते पुरुषाय तुभ्यं प्राणान्नमो भगवते पुरुषाय तुभ्यम् ॐ श्रीपरमात्मने नमः। अथ गीताध्यानम्। ॐ पार्थाय प्रतिबोधितां भगवता नारायणेन स्वयं व्यासेन ग्रथितां पुराणमुनिना मध्ये महाभारतम् अद्वैतामृतवर्षिणीं भगवतीम् अष्टादशाध्यायिनीम् अम्ब त्वामनुसन्दधामि भगवद्गीते भवद्वेषिणी। नमोऽस्तु ते व्यासविशालबुद्धे फुल्लारविन्दायतपत्रनेत्र येन त्वया भारततैलपूर्णः प्रज्वालितो ज्ञानमयः प्रदीपः प्रपन्नपारिजाताय स्तोत्रवेत्रैकपाणये ज्ञानमुद्राय कृष्णाय गीतामृतदुहे नमः। सर्वोपनिषदो गावः दोग्धा गोपालनन्दनः पार्थो वत्सः सुधीर्भोक्ता दुग्धं गीतामृतं महत्। वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं। भीष्मद्रोणतटा जयद्रथजला गान्धारनीलोत्पला शल्यग्राहवती कृपेण वहनी कर्णेन वेलाकुला अश्वत्थामविकर्णघोरमकरा दुर्योधनावर्तिनी सोत्तीर्णा खलु पाण्डवैरणनदे कैवर्तकः केशवः पाराशर्यवचः सरोजममलं गीतार्थगन्धोत्कटम् नानाख्यानककेसरं हरिकथा सम्बोधना बोधितम् लोके सज्जन षट्पदैरहरहः पेपीयमानं मुदा भूयाद् पंकजं कलिमलप्रध्वंसिन श्रेयसे मूकं करोति वाचालं पङ्गुं लङ्घयते गिरिं यत्कृपातमहं वन्दे परमानन्दमाधवम् यं ब्रह्मा वरुणेन्द्ररुद्रमरुतः स्तुन्वन्ति दिव्यैस्तवैः वेदैः साङ्गपदक्रमोपनिषदैः गायन्ति यं सामगाः ध्यानावस्थिततद्गतेन मनसा पश्यन्ति यं योगिनः यस्यान्तन्न विदुः सुरासुरगणाः देवाय तस्मै नमः देवाय तस्मै नमः. Pranams to the Lord. Pranams to all the Mahatmas in tonight's Srimad Bhagavad Gita session. A little bit of Sanskrit, a little bit of Gita, a little bit of fun. We are on the verge of finishing this beautiful chapter, Dhyana Yoga, Atma Samyama Yoga, where the Tat Pada has been discussed, and where the Tvam Pada has been discussed, and thereafter, in the next 12 chapters, we will be seeing the Tat Pada. So it's a nice way to end also the chapter at the end of 2025. And then when we enter 2026, it's nice to start fresh with chapter 7 and a new topic as well on that, learning more about the Lord and His glories. So without wasting any time, let's get into the last few verses. We have to start from verse number 43. Arunji, we'll start with you. तत्र तं बुद्धिसंयोगम्
तत्र तं बुद्धिसंयोगम्
लभते पौर्वदेहिकम्
लभते पौर्वदेहिकम्
यतते च ततो भूयः
यत् ते च ततो भूयः
संसिद्धौ कुरु नन्दन.
संसिद्धो कुरु नन्दन. तत्र तं बुद्धिसंयोगम् लभते पौर्वदेहिकम् यत् ते च ततो भूयः संसिद्धौ कुरु नन्दन.
Very good, perfect, excellent. So let's do the Padachhed. Tatra as it is, tam, buddhi sayogam as it is, labhate, paurvadehikam, exactly everything as it is. Yatate cha tato, there it is.
Yeah. So tatah, which is a visarga.
Visarga sandhi. Bhuyaha samsiddhau kurunandana, everything as it is. So there are no other sandhis over there. Only tato is becoming tata, visarga sandhi. Let's see the padartha now. Tatra, over there. So what was the topic? We were seeing that what if one person drops the body in the middle of the sadhana? What happens? Everything gone? Everything is erases? Then we saw that verse where Shuchinam Shrimatam Gehe, that Yoga Bhrashta Jayate, that the person who is in the middle of the sadhana and has dropped the body, he gets another body in such a family, or Yoginam Kule, we saw that. In such a family where it will be the circumstances will be conducive for him to follow the sadhana. This was the topic that we were saying last week. So from that same topic, this line is continuing. So tatra, in that condition where this person is reborn in such a kind of a family, buddhi sanyogam means with the knowledge. Buddhi sanyogam means with that knowledge. Whatever he has, labhate paurva dehikam. Paurva deha means purva deha. Purva deha means in his former body, before dropping the body, at what stage he has gathered his knowledge, till what sadhana he has done. Huh? Yatate means by striving. Tataha, again, bhuyaha. Bhuya is more. Again, samsiddhaha. He will reach in that state of perfection. O Kurunandana, O Arjuna, Krishna says. Yeah, sometimes we have this fear. Now I have done such a big sadhana. I have done so many likita japa. I have sat with the japa mala. I am doing meditation. I am doing this, that. I have not got any knowledge. But I have a firm conviction in our Shastra that yes, some point. And then tomorrow we don't know how and which point where the body is dropping. Whatever I have done, these samskaras are subtle on the mind. We don't carry the body in the next birth,
Life.
but we carry our sukshma sharira. The impressions are there in the mind. We carry that instrument. So when people escape facing the life with tragedies, problems, results of exam, kids, this, and with the shame, they find easy way is to suicide. So you're not facing it now, but that impression of your mind, that kind of a thinking, you carry it again. There is no escapism. If not in this body, another body, that situation will come. You will have to deal with the situation and grow out of that until you face that, until you repair the mind. The mind you carry. So we will have to always purify subtly only. External suchi is needed, but the internal suchi which nobody sees, which only we know what we are, how many masks we are wearing and showing out to the world. World doesn't see all that, but we see. And even if we ignore to see that, we will carry that. So it's good to carry the impressions of sadhana rather than all the negativities. At least if not in this birth, next birth, it is guaranteed. Bhagwan is saying to Arjuna, whatever he has done in the Purva Deha, in this birth, Tatra, in whichever house he has got, with this little bit of effort, whatever he will do, he will reach his knowledge. That knowledge he will establish, he will lead to the perfection, samsiddhi bhavati. So maybe, so it is not a hopeless condition. We think, oh, now so much life we have led, nothing has happened and don't see anything in future. We should not be so negative about ourselves. We are Brahman in making only, we should feel. And we should not say abuse ourselves with any kind of, for me, it's only like this only. No, don't take that impression. Don't affirm that. I'm in making. So when we have that positive affirmation, the samskar will be like that. When I'm having impression that I'm not good enough, the samskara will be I'm not good enough. Anything we do, I'm not good enough only. That crying and cripping baby only we will be always. In making. In making. So this samskara, which Bhagwan is a very beautiful verse, that Paurvadehikam, whatever he has got, with little Bhuyaha Samsiddha, he will again establish in the knowledge when he gets this chance again. And he would get a chance. And he would not get a normal, some ordinary chance. He will get a chance in Suchinam Srimatan Gede. He will get a chance in Yoginam Kule. He will get a chance. He will get a beautiful. So his atmosphere will be conducive for him to continue his spiritual journey forward. So why not she? He and she all together. It is just like as we say God in that sense. So it's not a gender meaning, it's just to address it. Let's go ahead. तत्र तं बुद्धिसंयोगं लभते पौर्वदेहिकं यतते च ततो भूयः संसिद्धौ कुरु नन्दन. Krishna. Number 44. पूर्वाभ्यासेन तेनैव
पूर्वाभ्यासेन तेनैव
ह्रियते ह्यवशोऽपि सः.
ह्रियते ह्यवशोऽपि सः.
जिज्ञासुरपि योगस्य
जिज्ञासुरपि योगस्य
शब्दब्रह्माति वर्तते.
शब्दब्रह्मादिवर्तते.
Hmm.
पूर्वाभ्यासेन तेनैव ह्रियते ह्यवशोऽपि सः. जिज्ञासुरपि योगस्य शब्दब्रह्मादिवर्तते.
Very good. Let's do that. Adacheda. Purvabhyasena, Tritiya Vibhakti. Tena eva. Tenaiva. What sandhi?
वृद्धि सन्ति.
Correct. Vriddhi sandhi. Tena eva. Hriyate hyavasho.
He. So he plus Vashopi, which is
Avasha. Avasha. He plus avasha.
sorry, Avashopi is yan santi.
Yes, he plus avashaha is yan, and
then
here vashopi it is
Purvaru.
purvarupa over there. So he plus
Visarga.
avashaha
Purvarupa.
plus api. Yes, visarga and pur.
Yeah.
Then saha. So it is jitnyasurapi. What happens there?
Jitnya. Don't know. Jitnyasurapi. Is there a santi there?
Yes. Yes.
Jitnyasu. Yeah, Jitnyasu
Plus
api. So
Yes.
U
Jitnyasuhu plus
plus U plus isn't it? Is a yan santi?
no, visarga santi.
Visarga.
Oh, sorry.
Visarga's repa has happened. Jitnyasurapi, jitnyasuhu plus api.
Oh, yeah.
So visarga's repa has happened.
Visarga. Yeah.
Okay. Yogasya shabda brahmati vartate savarna dirgha. Shabda brahma ati vartate shabda brahmati vartate savarna dirgha santi.
Dr. Varshaji,
Ji ji.
I have the same doubts. So Purvabhyasen is not Sandhi. It's a joint, just one joint word.
Correct, yes. The vibhakti is for the entire word.
Oh, thank you.
Purvabhyasena is by Purvabhyasa, by the former practice. So when we are saying the Shabdartha Vilkar, so by that former practice, tena eva riyate. Riyate, he is born by that former practice. He avashopi saha, even if he is helpless. Jitnyasu is there. So he is eager, he is wishing to know the knowledge, Jitnyasu. Yogasya, he is curious to know about the knowledge. And Shabda Brahmati Vartate, he will go Ati Vartate, beyond Shabda Brahma. So beyond he will go. He means again, that same tone and tune is continuing, that the man who has that self-control, he gathers himself, and in spite of himself, whatever is in adverse conditions, he will still surpass his present thing and he will reach the final goal. There is no escape. So in spite of himself, whatever it is, he will be drawn because all the samskaras are coming along with him. And there is no doubt he will go beyond Shabda Brahma. Shabda Brahma is taken as Om. Om is taken as the smallest mantra. Om is taken as supreme truth. So that means what? He is reaching, or he is going to realize his own self. That is how. Purvabhyasena tenaiva hriyate hyavashopi saha jitnyasurapi yogasya shabda brahmati vartate. Sunitaji. Number 45. Prayatnadyatamaanastu.
प्रयत्नाद्यतमानस्तु
Yogi samshuddha kilbishaha.
योगी संशुद्ध किल्बिषः
Aneka janma samsiddhaha.
अनेक जन्म संसिद्धः
Tato yati parangatim.
ततो याति परां गतिम् प्रयत्नाद्यतमानस्तु योगी संशुद्ध किल्बिषः अनेक जन्म संसिद्धः ततो याति परां गतिम्.
Very good. Perfect. So let's do the Padacheda now. What happens? Prayatnat dyatamanastu. What is over there? So many sandhis are there. Prayatnat.
Yatnat plus
Yes.
Yatmanah
Yes.
plus 2.
Correct.
So first
now
is
then-
Jasatva and
Correct.
second is Visarga.
Correct. Prayatnat. So ending. Yatamanastu. Ta has become the Jashatva Sandhi. Prayatnadya Yatama. Yatamanaha. Visargas. Sakara has happened. So Yatamanas. So that Sa has come. When we open the Visarga Sandhi, Sa has gone. So Prayatnat Yatamanaha tu. Yogi
This
Samsiddha Kelvi.
this is Yatmanah, not Yatmanah. I think I got
Yata.
it wrong. It's Yatmanah. Thank you.
Yatamana. Samshuddha Kilbishaha as it is. Aneka Janma Samsiddhaha and Tataha. So Samsiddhas, that Sakara will go, Samsiddhaha will happen, Visarga Sakara. Then Tataha, Tato will become Tataha, Visarga Sandhi again there. Yati Param Gati as it is. Meaning Prayatnat. Prayatnat from the efforts, striving efforts, yatamanaha, from taking the efforts, from taking the efforts, yogi, samshuddhaha kilbishaha. Samshuddhaha is purified, kilbisha is sins. Purified from the sins, aneka janma samsiddhaha. He has perfected it by aneka janma before. Suddenly somebody is not ready as a yogi. You see sannyasis in our life. It's not just from this life that they have become, and we see younger sannyasis. It's not that, okay, at young age he got. He is carrying the past samskaras of his so many lives. It is coming over here, Bhagavan is saying, aneka janma samsid. He has perfected that from so many births. The purification to happen. We feel that if I'm doing one sin and I've done 10 punyas, my one sin is washed off. Papa punya is not negated against each other. Papa's phala will also come and punya's phala will also come. So we can't escape that I've done so much good, so God will take mercy on me. God is not anybody to do anything with our karmas. We are only ones who are driving it. So at one or the other point, we will have to face it. So whatever actions this yogi in making has done, he will be facing that. That's why it is said that it is aneka janma samsiddha. That's why it is said samshuddhaha kilbishaha. By everything, petal by petal, petal by petal, it is opening gradually and cleansing at the same. And then when, after so many births, all the cleaning is over, then knowledge is going to dawn on him. Tataha, that time, yati, he comes to param gatim, that highest gati he will get. So it's not easy. So we should not get disappointed. Nothing has happened, so much of life is gone and I don't know. No need to negate ourselves. We are in making. And this Janma, we should also think that why are we interested? Our classes were not so regular in between. Then this festive thing happens, again it went. Then my relocation had happened, again that time had gone. So our class has been on for ages, and yet we are holding on to it, right? Some samskara, some liking is there. That's why we are able to hold on to it. If that samskara was not there, we would have left it long back. As if there are no other classes and this knowledge is not available anywhere else through any other classes. Why only over here? We had some connection and it is happening by the grace of the Lord because our vasana to do it is there. If the self-effort is not there in the first place, even if God wants to give it to you, it will not reach us. So always our first step will be so very crucial that our desire that we should hold what we should be wanting also we should think and hold it in our mind. Then only it will be. If after the class, if I have to get out from this door, if the thought has to come from my head first, then my action will follow. Action doesn't follow just like that. Action is the outer expression only of the inner thought. So that cleansing our device, that internal device, which is so subtle, not to be seen or pointed out anatomically anywhere, that much subtle it is. So that knowledge happening out over there would be so subtle. That means so much stillness is needed. That's why this chapter becomes very crucial. It is a connecting chapter to the Paramatma. This Jivatma's subtleness, he has to be aware. Like one of the meditation sessions, we had seen that example. In a water, the reflection can happen if the water is still. If there is a ripple water, then the reflection will also be moving. If it's a muddied water, then reflection will not be seen also. So it depends upon how much things we have gathered in the mind that the reflection of our own true self can happen over there. It will happen for sure. This is the assurance of the Lord. So we should keep going. प्रयत्नाद्यतमानस्तु योगी संशुद्ध किल्बिषः अनेकजन्म संसिद्धः ततो याति परां गतिम्. Mani? Number 46.
Oh, sorry. No. Shit. Can you hear me? Yeah.
Yes, I can. It's
I did
okay.
not get it. Okay.
Okay, it's okay, right? You have the book with you, 46 number.
Yes.
Good. Tapasvibhyodhiko yogi.
Tapasvibhyodhiko yogi.
Yogi, only no to yogi, only yogi. Tapasvibhyodhiko yogi.
Tapasvibhyodhiko yogi.
Jnanibhyopi matodhikaha.
Jnanibhyopi matodhikaha.
Karmibhyascha yogi.
Karmebhyashchadhiko yogi.
Very good. Tasmad yogi bhavarjuna.
Tasmat yogi bhavarjuna. Tapasvibhyodhiko yogi. Yogi. Jnanibhyopi matodhikaha.
Very good.
Karmibhyashchadhiko yogi. Tasmat yogi bhavarjuna.
Excellent. Yes, excellent. Perfect pronunciations. Very good. Well done. Okay, so now we see the Padacheda. Tapasvibhyodhiko yogi. What happens over there?
There is a tapasvibhyah
Hmm.
adhikah plus
Yes.
yogi.
Correct. So what's
So
Sandhi?
visarg, purvarup and then sakar.
Yes. Visarga and Purvarup. Tapasvibhyaha plus adhikaha. Visarga
yogi.
Sandhi and Purvarup. Yogi.
Yeah.
Jnanibhyopi. There also
Jnanibhyo.
Jnanibhyaha plus
Plus
api.
api. Yeah.
Matodhikaha. Mataha
Mataha
plus
plus
adhika. Second line. Karmibhyashchadhiko. Karmibhyaha plus cha plus adhika. Visarga shakara and then savarna dirgha shanda. Tasmadyogi, tasmat plus yogi, that is jashatva. Bhavarjuna, bhava plus arjuna, savarna dirgha. Okay. So all the sandhis are visarga sandhis with purvaru, and then the last one is the savarna dirgha. And one visarga is with shakara. So tapasvibhyaha, better than tapasvi. Better than. When we have to say better than, it always will come in a Panchami Vibhakti. And this is plural. So tapasvibhyaha, better than the tapasvis, adhikaha. better are, the superior is the yogi. Jnanibhyaha api mataha. Mataha is the opinion, a thought. So this yogi even is better than the jnanis, who are tapasvis, who are jnanis. The yogis are better than that. And then second line, karmibhyaschadhyad, even better than karmibhya, even the one who are doing action. The yogi, adhika is superior. Therefore, tasmat, therefore, yogi bhava Arjuna. Arjuna, you become a yogi. Yogi is in that action mode, right? We offer the karmas in that. Normally, we are doing karma. We have to become karma yogi. We have to offer it where the doership is not there, living in the spirit of the yoga. Therefore, O Arjuna, you become the yogi. So it is the importance of meditation that has been brought out over here. So our thought process should be striving to remove our doership from the action, and every action that we do is like an offering to the Lord. It can happen only when we are convinced of the knowledge that the Paramatma is the highest. And only after we have taken some small tapas. It's a gradation. And it is not that something happens one after another. It is simultaneous. Like how we are doing little bit of sadhana, we are gathering little bit of knowledge. It is not that first we are doing all the sadhana and after sadhana we are going for all the knowledge. It is like building up. One form, another form, one form, another form. Slowly it is climbing. It is simultaneous. It is not that you do first all this and then everything will happen. It's not like that. Simultaneous. Tasmat, therefore, Arjuna, we become a yogi. Arjuna has taken what doership? No? I am the doer. I am going to kill. I am going to do this. I am going to do that. I am this all powerful. Now I can't. For all that, Krishna is removing his doership bhava. Come to the spirit. Leave it to me. You are the one, O Lord, who is doing. You are not the doer. He is trying to make his ownership of the action lesser. Then later on in the later chapters, then the 11th chapter will come, he's saying, I have Purva bhi hataha, I have killed them before only. You just now pretend that with the bow and arrow you are. Then he will say that thing. It's this time. तपस्विभ्योऽधिको योगी ज्ञानिभ्योऽपि मतोऽधिकः कर्मिभ्यश्चाधिको योगी तस्माद्योगी भवार्जुन. पद्माजी. Number 47. Oh, 47 we reached also. योगिनामपि सर्वेषाम्
योगिनामपि सर्वेषां
मद्गतेनान्तरात्मना
मद्गतेनान्तरात्मना
श्रद्धावान् भजते यो माम्
श्रद्धावान् भजते यो माम्
समे युक्ततमो मतः.
समे युक्ततमो मतः. योगिनामपि सर्वेषां मद्गतेनान्तरात्मना श्रद्धावान् भजते यो मां समे युक्ततमो मतः.
Very good. Perfect. So let us do the Padacheda first. Yoginamapi. What happens over there? Yoginam plus api. That's it. It is simply joined. Yoginam plus api. Sarvesham as it is. Madgatena antaratmana. Madgatena antaratmana. What's something? What happened? Everybody is quiet today. Unmute.
I'm sorry, I thought I was unmuted. I'm saying, but obviously not
Oh.
here being. Okay. So, so this is mat gaten, which is just to. Then antaratma, which is swardirgha.
Yes.
Gaten, antaratma.
Yeah. So Madgatena, we will keep it same because of the vibhakti is there for that whole Madgatena
Okay.
in me.
Okay. Okay.
So, and that is Tritiya Vibhakti Madgatena, and then Antaratma has joined. So,
Okay.
Savarna Dir has happened. Then Shraddhavan as it is, Bhajate as it is, Yo Mam. What happens there?
Yo is yoh. You
Yaha.
said.
Visarga Sandhi, Yaha, it has happened. Sa me Yuktatamo, again, Yuktatamaha
Tamaha.
and Mata.
Visarga.
Shabdarthana, Padartha, Yoginam api, amongst the yogi. So we use, when we have to say amongst, then we use Shashti. Yes, sir. Yes. Hari Om, my dear. Yes. Thank you. Thank you for joining. And wishing you and Murli, or she's left. Doesn't matter. Yoginam api, amongst the yogis, Sarvesham, amongst all the yogis. Sarvesham yoginam api, amongst all the yogis, madgatena, by in me, with antaratma, with his full self, with his full self, antaratmana, third case only, and not only with that, Shraddhavan, who is having with full faith, bhajate. So, madgatena antaratmana shraddhavan bhajate, who worships me, yaha, mam, to me, worships me, that means, saha yuktatamaha me mataha. So, me is what vibhakti, mam is what vibhakti.
May is by me.
Yeah, what vibhakti?
Me.
Mam is what vibhakti, me is what vibhakti.
Mam is to me.
So what vibhakti?
I think that third case, right?
No. Mam is, to me is second, dvitiya.
Oh, that's third.
Asmat
Okay.
shabda. Aham avam vayam prathama mam ma. So that, to me he comes. Towards me, to me. Mam ma. Avam no. Asmannaha. Dvitiya. Mama. No. Maya. Avabhyam. Asmabhihi. Mahyam me. Avabhyam no. Where are your vibhaktis? Mat, avabhyam,
Asmat.
asmat, then mama, me,
Mama me.
mama, me, avayoho, no, asma,
Asmakam.
what is asmaka? Then mai, avayoho, asmasu. Why, what happened? All the vibhaktis should be ready, alle. 6 chapters. So, maya is third case. So, me is what then?
Mama.
Mama me.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, Shashti. So Bhagwan is saying that because there are all that Asmat Shabdas over there. Mat has come. Mam has come, may has come. How are we using that? So, Madgatena, he has come to me. Mam, he has come to me. Yaha Mam. Same, he is in me. Yuktatamaha. Yuktatamaha mataha means Lord is thinking, I feel that he is Yuktatamaha, the most devout yogi, who has Shraddha in the Lord and who has melted in the Lord, who has reached the Lord. I feel that is the most devout yogi. He is the Yukta Tamaha. He is more consolidated. His personality integration is the highest, is what I feel like that Krishna says. This last verse, very beautiful verse. योगिनामपि सर्वेषां मद्गतेनान्तरात्मना श्रद्धावान् भजते यो मां समे युक्ततमो मतः ॐ तत्सत् इति श्रीमद्भगवद्गीतासु उपनिषत्सु ब्रह्मविद्यायां योगशास्त्रे श्रीकृष्णार्जुनसंवादे आत्मसंयमयोगो नाम षष्ठोऽध्यायः हरिः ओम् श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ओम् श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु. It was an answer.
Shall I repeat, Harshaji?
Yes, okay, go ahead, repeat.
Om Tat Sat Iti Srimad Bhagavad Gitasu Upanishatsu Brahma Vidyayam Yoga Shastre Shri Krishna Arjuna Samvade Atma Sanyama Yogo Nama Sashtodhyayah Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om Shri Krishna Arpanamastu.
Amazing. So with his kripa, we have completed this. We have 1 week to sit and revise, just glance through the verses, see every verse meaning is understood, word meaning is understood. Refer that Vibhakti chart once a while. Just glance and read it and keep. No need to sit many hours. Just once read it. Like now today, Asmat just read and keep. By doing that intermittently here and there once a while, over a period of time, it sticks on us automatically. So like a passive memorizing. So not to sit for compulsive memorizing. Because we have heard those words several times. So keep just doing it. Over a period of time, it will just come to us. Good. So now next week, we start with 7th chapter directly. Beautiful chapters are coming ahead. So come with all your notebooks prepared of Vibhakti and the Dhatu Rupavali. So that direct reference you can always peep and tell. You should know where the word is written and where to peek it from also should be known. So handle the notebook once a while so that it is not a surprise on you. And just glance through all the verses, these 41 verses. And if anything is there, ask me in the next session. We take it on. Otherwise, we directly get into 7th chapter. So end of the Gregorian 2025 and a new Gregorian year starts tomorrow. For whatever milestone reasons, calendar purposes, we use the Gregorian calendar. So it's going to be anyways 2026. So let's welcome it with our selfish desires of making our sadhana dridha and our studies dridha, so that it makes us inch closer to the destination. Whatever samskaras we can collect in this lifetime, let's do the best to collect all those samskaras, because after knowing this chapter, we know that our efforts are not in vain. So let's collect, because we know this body we have got, and what other bodies we are going to get, we don't. In this body, whatever samskaras we can collect, let us do and intensify. Let's be better then to 2025 into 2026 in terms of our sadhana. Let us study more. Let us do more sadhana, more japa. And with the dhyana yoga complete now, let's do more dhyana as well. So wishing all of you a fabulous 2026 journey with the Atma Jnana studies. That's in today's session. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate Om Shanti 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 Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Hari Om Shri Krishna Arpanamastu Hari Om everyone. Thank you for joining us here next week. Hari Om.
Hari Om, Dr.
Hari Om.
Shantanu.
Thank you very much.
Hari Om Varshaji.
Hari Om
Hari
Varshaji.
Om Varshaji.
Thank you.
And wishing you a happy new year, Gregorian New Year.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.